Welcome to Epic Mint Leaves, your channel for mind-blowing vegan recipes. Oil-free, dairy-free, sugar-free, gluten-free, 50 grams of protein, low-fat, low-calorie, all-natural, super cheap, super healthy, plant-based protein powder. Get 50 grams of protein for just about 300 calories. So powerful, so good. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, take a package of soy chunks. Next, throw them into a powerful blender. And pulverize them. Now you got your perfect velvety protein powder. Add whatever flavor you like. I like cocoa powder and cinnamon. And enjoy a super cheap and super healthy homemade protein powder. You can store it in an airtight container for about 6 weeks. Thanks for watching.